Hi, we're Gemma and George and welcome to our crib. So I'll show you inside our first room, the living room. Welcome to our living room. So we bought this settee second hand from an old caravan, and it's where we spend most of our time when we're just chilling. And Daddy installed this wonderful second-hand fan from eBay which works a treat in the hot weather. Our van is our life, so we don't travel anywhere without our fire alarm and our carbon monoxide alarm. So we've got quite a lot of extra storage here in the van. We have containers that we've got up top, one for our electronics, Nathan's, mine and then George's. We've got big storage boxes that we keep our clothes in, and just to keep them out of the way and to keep them dry. Underneath our fabulous settee we have extra storage under here also, and that's where we keep the inverter, extra food. Next room I'm going to show you in, the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. We've got a cooler that we use that we just plug into the battery. Or if we're not onto the power, we can plug it up to the USB and we charge that through our inverter. And our, as you can see, exceptionally expensive kitchen roll holder. We don't actually have access to a sink, so instead Nathan was very creative and got a plastic tub, and this is what we do our washing up in. Next room I'm going to show you, ladies, my walk-in wardrobe. So this is my walk-in wardrobe, and as you can see I am able to store and hang numerous items on one coat hanger to save space. Every day I wake up in the morning and I think, what should I wear today? But where do I keep my shoes, you ask? Let me show you. Welcome to my shoe rack. As you can see, when you're on the road and you're in a confined space, you can't really have too many shoes with you. Van is in vanity, and it comes with van life, so it's really important that I have a mirror so I can make sure that I look tip top for my Instagram. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm trying to have a wee and hide from George. Get out of here! Welcome to the throne room. This is our changing room. For George, it's our bathroom, and it's also our pantry. Essentially, it's a room. It's a room within a room. It's a room within a room. Within a room. This is our changing mat that Nathan delightfully created. On the cheap, as always. We prefer to spend our money on the important things. Only the finest for our son George, and he can choose from 10 ounces of water, 9 ounces of water, and some fabulous baby formula. Welcome to our garage. Nathan created this wonderful bad boy, and one shelf is for the gas canisters, another shelf is for toiletries and cordial and toilet roll, very important, and the bottom shelf is for Daddy's toolkit. Here, eat Daddy's tools, it'll annoy him. The next room I'm going to show you is where the magic happens. Welcome to George's bedroom, or formerly known as the front of the van. So as you can see, George sleeps in a dog bed because 1, it fit the van, and 2, it's blinking comfy. And we purchased some thermal blinds, and these allow us to 1, regulate the temperature for George, and 2, give us some privacy. So when the magic happens and George falls asleep, Mummy and Daddy can finally get some privacy. See ya! So this is our final room, the patio, and we hope you've enjoyed our crib. And right now, it's time for George to go to sleep and Mummy to have some privacy time. So get out of our house. Shoo, tell them, George. Shoo, 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 shoo. Thanks for watching our video, hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, feel free to subscribe to our channel, give us a like or give us a comment. We really appreciate your feedback. And if you want any more detailed information about travelling with a baby, destinations, any advice and tips and tricks on how to do it all, then head over to our website www.gemmaandgeorge.com. See ya!